The Fiido D3 Pro sports a minimalist aesthetic design with its simple and smooth lines. Equipped with a sizable 52-tooth chain disc, a 12-tooth rear flywheel, and electric-assisted 3-speed transmission, the Fiido D3 provides a perfect balance of looks and efficiency. It sports a brushless gear 250-watt motor powered by a 7.8 amp-hour battery pack, allowing it to accelerate at a top speed of 25 km per hour. It ranges 60 kilometers on a single charge and has an estimated charging time of 5 hours, making it an ideal electric bike for quick short trips around your community. What's great about this electric bike is its 3 mode options, namely the electric, moped, and pedal modes, giving you multiple options to save up battery life and get to your destination with less effort possible. Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.